Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to remove extend unlock in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. Suppose if you have set any extend unlock like on-body detection, trusted places and trusted devices, and if you would like to remove them, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is just follow this. Just go to the settings first and then go to lock screen, and here select secure lock settings and go to extend unlock and draw your current pattern, that is give your current pattern for authentication and confirmation, and click on on body detection and turn off this one, and one is removed, on body detection is removed, and click on trusted places. If you have added any place, just click on that place and delete. Okay, yes, if you have set multiple places, click on each one and delete them. Okay, delete one by one. Okay, and go back and click on trusted devices. If you have added any trusted devices, just remove it. Okay, here I have added no device. Okay, so in this three way you can easily remove extend unlock, and you can only use your screen unlock. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.